Hey everyone, Travis here with eXp Realty, and February stats just came out, so I want to quickly make a video diving into these numbers. So first, I want to quickly make a note that around this time last year is when we saw our first rate hike, so since then we've been seeing declines pretty much the entire year. But with the news of Bank of Canada not increasing rates for this period, we actually saw an increase in sale prices for the month of February. Most things are up month over month, but if we look year over year, we're still gonna see the same type of decreases that we were expecting. But the silver lining is that with the halts of rate increases, we have started to see things increase in terms of sale prices. Now, obviously, this is for the GTA, so if you have any questions about specific places like Milton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, anywhere specific, comment below which area you want to see, and I'll get that information to you. But now let's get into the numbers. So as I said, year over year, these numbers are still down, but for the month of February, we saw 8,367 new listings, 9,643 active listings, and activity has definitely decreased year over year, as we saw only 4,784 houses actually sold. Now, houses are taking longer to sell year over year, as well as last year, February, when we were at the peak of the market, we were seeing about 9 days on market versus 33 days on market for February 2023. That's a 266% increase year over year. And as I mentioned earlier, the sale price has dropped around 18% year over year, as last year we saw the average house price in the GTA was around $1,334,087 versus this year we're seeing the average sale price of around $1,095,617, which obviously that's a pretty big decrease year over year. But if you look from February 2021, we are actually up in terms of sale price. So you really have to just remember that real estate, along with other investments, always have ups and downs, but real estate definitely sees more ups and downs. But in general, over time, it always trends upward. But the most exciting news is the month over month, as we saw a 5.4% increase in sale price from January 2023 to February 2023. In January 2023, the average sale price was $1,038,668 versus February of 2023, which saw a 5.4% increase all the way up to $1,095,617. This is extremely positive news, as the halts from the Bank of Canada have definitely had an impact on the market, as we are definitely starting to see more buyers get off the fence. For instance, my listing had over 70 showings in 6 days. So we're definitely seeing some more activity from buyers, and I think it's going to continue into the spring market as nicer weather leads to more people looking to buy houses. And then finally, guys, if we look at the types of houses that have been selling in February, as we can see in our chart here from January 2023 to February of 2023, we can see all trends pointing upward. So for detached homes, the average sale price in the GTA was $1,439,735. For semis, it was $1,069,266. Townhomes saw an increase to $934,834, and condos averaged $705,472. So we're feeling pretty great about the housing market from February, as the last few months to a year have been pretty bad for most people. But we all have to remember that real estate is a long-term game, and holding on to that investment is extremely important to creating wealth. With more and more immigration coming into Canada, and specifically coming to the GTA, I think we can expect to see prices increase back to those insane numbers and probably higher in the coming years. With a lack of inventory and high demand, it's only a matter of time before prices get to those insane numbers that we were seeing last year. And again, guys, if you have any questions about real estate or any other areas that you want to see, please comment below or send me an email and I'll get that information to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.